so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today you and I are gonna draw Twinkle from Little Baby Bum. Wow, Twinkle is such a cute star in the night sky. Yeah, and she's always smiling. Okay, to draw Twinkle, you need either yellow or orange, and we're gonna draw a lot of curved lines that come to a point. All right, just like that. Whoa, very thick looking star, right? Whoa, there we go. And one last one. Whoa, yeah. All right, now we need to draw some circles for the eyes. Whoa, a big circle, another big circle, and then fill in a small circle. Yeah, just like that. And then short, small little lines for the cute, pretty eyelashes. Then a big smile. But we also need to draw a pink bow tie. There we go, just like that. Whoa, there we go. Yeah, she's so cute. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning